morning, everybody. Happy Friday and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a day in the life. I'm not going anywhere today. I'm just staying home. So I felt like taking you guys along with me. I have to clean the house, do laundry, get packed for our weekend trip to Tucson that we're going on this weekend. I'm so excited. So that's why I'm looking a little disheveled. I let myself sleep in today. So it's around 10 a.m. because I've been so sore and tired from the gym that I just needed a couple extra hours in bed this morning. So we are going to get cleaning because I do my weekly resets on Mondays. I love my boyfriend, but if I clean when Liam's home, he will go around and unintentionally, but he will just leave messes in all the spots and rooms that I just finished cleaning. So I do prefer to clean when he's at work so I can just bang it out and get it all done. So it is technically Monday that I'm filming this, and we are going to get cleaning this apartment. Of course, when you clean, you always need something to watch or music to listen to. So today's choice is Samantha, the American Girl movie. Absolutely love the American Girl movies. I think they're so cute. But let's clean my apartment. Kitchen is done. We are now moving on to the bathroom. Hopefully you can hear me over the little vent thing. If you are not cleaning your toilet and shower with this little gadget gizmo here, what are you doing? Stop breaking your back. When I had my apartment back in Connecticut, my grandma was over one day when I was cleaning my apartment, and I used to do my toilet and shower just by hand, all hunched over. So she actually got me one of these. It is a little wand, and it sits in the little holder, and you just open it. There's these little cleaning pads that sit inside. These like Clorox bleach / cleaning solution on it. And it's got this little peg. So you just stick the peg in the bottom of the thing. And boom. You have your toilet / shower cleaner. I disinfect this, I clean my shower, and then I disinfect it again and clean my toilet. So I use it for both. It is so nifty and handy. And when this is all done and you're done with the cleaning pad, you just use this little button and it drops it into the trash. Just the refills, I think, are $8 a pack, and it's only $13 for the whole wand and holder. I love these. It has made cleaning the bathroom so much easier because I used to dread cleaning the bathroom. It was my least favorite part of my cleaning routine. And now I honestly don't mind it because this thing has made it so freaking easy. Now we scrub. And then that is a nice squeaky clean looking shower, and you didn't have to break your back or anything in the process. I promise this bottom part is clean. You literally just watched me scrub it. It is staining, and honestly, it looks a lot worse on camera than it does in person. I have asked the apartment complex if there's anything we can do about it because I have scrubbed quite literally the crap out of the bottom of this shower. And unfortunately, they told us that it's just staining and it really won't come up no matter how much I clean it and no matter how much I shower, it doesn't come up. So trust me, it grosses me out too as somebody that's extremely clean. It drives me nuts that staining is on the bottom of the bath. It just, I really don't like it, but there's nothing I can do about it, and we're renters, so I'm not gonna replace the tub myself. I am now just going to clean the toilet with the wand. I'm gonna do it the same way I did the shower, obviously just not getting water everywhere. I'm gonna wipe up all the suds, but we will reconvene in the living room. Whew, okay. Kitchen and bathroom are done. Those are the two that take me the longest. And oh my God, I stopped and dilly-dallied so much this morning. It is already 11:53. I started cleaning at 10:30. I'm usually done cleaning the entire apartment by now, but I'm not gonna lie. I sat and just watched the Samantha movie for probably like a solid 30 minutes. So we are gonna move on to our second movie. And we are gonna do another American Girl movie. I'm scrolling through the ones that popped up after the Samantha movie. Oh, this is one of the newer ones. I haven't seen this one as much because I was very much an adult when she came out and this movie came out. McKenna, the American Girl doll, if anybody remembers her, she's the gymnastics one. We are gonna watch McKenna Shoots for the Stars while I finish the second half of the cleaning. Let me just pause this so that I can finish talking. So second half of the cleaning is I like to wipe down this coffee table because we eat at this table. We do everything at this table that I normally have to make the bed, and that's it. And then I vacuum this little rug, sweep the floors, and it's June 2nd. So at the beginning of every month, I actually like really scrub the floor with Swiffer wipes, and then I sweep the floor multiple times throughout the week. And then for the sheets, I'm not making the bed because I'm gonna be washing all the bedding today. I wash everything on our bed. All of our bedding goes in the washer every 2 weeks. So I am going to get that going. I probably won't show you guys me doing the floors just because I don't have a Swiffer. I literally Cinderella style get on my hands and knees and scrub the apartment floor. Thankfully, our apartment's not huge, so I'm able to do it in about 15 minutes. So I'm not gonna show the floors just because that's a little bit more tedious, but I am gonna start getting the laundry rolling, and we're also gonna get McKenna Shoots for the Stars rolling.
Are too advanced, they're not consistent.
They're too advanced, McKenna.
You need to take it one step at a time.
Don't do them, you're gonna break your ankle.
McKenna.
So we have a nice clean apartment. I'll show you guys the bathroom. It looks so clean. It smells so clean. Oh, it is absolutely amazing in here. It is about 12:30. So I am going to go up to the gym. Like I said, I let myself sleep in today. I usually like to go to the gym between 8 and 9 o'clock. Then my cleaning's done by 11 and I can have lunch, but I slept in. We're going at a little bit of a slower pace today. So I'm gonna go head up to the gym. Oh, it has been a couple hours. I went to the gym, I took a shower, I made some lunch. We are having some buffalo wings that I overcooked. Yeah, some boneless wings and some French fries. So yummy. I can't remember if I had mentioned it already, but we're going to Tucson. So I'm trying to eat up things that are like in the fridge and freezer so that we don't have a ton of food sitting here over the weekend. And I'm also doing the laundry, which I am waiting to finish up so I can start packing for Tucson. So I'm gonna be making a little packing TikTok, and I'm gonna show you guys a little behind the scenes of my pack with me. And we've moved on to our next American Girl movie. We have finished McKenna Shoots for the Stars, and we are now watching the Felicity movie, which this one, in all honesty, was my favorite out of the American Girl movies. I would probably say Felicity's movie was my #1 favorite, then Samantha's was my second. I just love this movie. And Shailene Woodley, little baby Secret Life of the American Teenager. It's so cute to see her so young, but I'm gonna just wait for this laundry because That's all I'm really waiting on. I also have to figure out what I'm gonna post on TikTok today. And then once the laundry and clothes are done, I'll be able to figure out my outfits and start packing. So the laundry is just finishing up, but look who I saw on the patio. This is Phoenix. I don't think I've ever talked about her on my YouTube channel, but the very first day that we moved into this apartment, she just showed up on our patio. Like literally, we just looked out the window and Liam was like, oh my God, there's a cat on our patio. And so I started leaving her water, I started feeding her every morning, and now we do treats. Her favorite treats are these little bonker sticks in the salmon flavor. So once I'm done loving on her, she's gonna have one of her favorite treats. She has some toys on her balcony to play with, and we've really just built a bond over the past few months, and I think she trusts me now. I mean, we're cuddling. Kind of. We're doing some sits together. She's getting some nice pets. Oh, he's a happy girl. She loves them. Good girl. Yeah, oh good. But yeah, the patio is really cool today. There's a really nice breeze today, so I bet that's why she's hanging out here. Oh my God, and look who is looking through the window, all jealous. He is so jealous I'm out here with her. So I picked out all my outfits. I've got my little setup going here. We've got the tripod, my light, all my clothes are over here in little piles. So you guys are gonna get a little behind the scenes of how I film my TikToks. Of how I film my pack with me's at least. Oh my gosh, filming that TikTok took way longer than it should have. So make sure you go follow me over on TikTok. It is blondepersonatalie, same as my Instagram. So if you want to see real-time updates from our trip to Tucson this weekend, make sure you go follow me on both of those platforms. But I will be vlogging the whole weekend as well, so you guys will get to see the trip regardless next week in next Friday's vlog. I think is it for tonight. It is 5:15, so Liam will be home in about 45 minutes, and then we're gonna make tacos tonight, which is my favorite, so I'm very excited, and we're probably gonna watch Battle Camp. It's this show of all these Netflix reality stars that are battling at camp in teams for $250,000, so it's really good so far, and I'm loving it. Gio and Polly from Selling the OC, I'll spoil it, they are 2 contestants on there. So spoiler alert, but I'm actually really excited to just have a chill evening because even though I spent the day at home, I was super busy today, but I got done everything that I need to get done. So yay there. I'm gonna start editing some TikToks for tomorrow and kind of get ahead on some editing because I have a really big, heavy editing day tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little cozy at-home vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And I will have all my other socials in the description box so you guys can follow me on there as well. But I hope you guys have an amazing weekend and I will see you in my next video. Bye.